Good morning, you guys. It's the last full day of our trip. We are now in Bangkok. We will be leaving tomorrow mid-morning. So we have a few things that we still need to do today. I don't know if it'll be exciting for you guys, but I'm kind of excited. We have an appointment with a gym equipment company. Apparently it's the biggest here in Thailand. They have a few district offices and one of the bigger ones is here. So we got to jump on the SkyTrain and we got to go figure out where this place is. It's in a commercial trade zone, and you know, I got to start securing equipment for the house. So anyway, that is what we're up to today, and we're gonna have some food and do some other things, and we'll make a video of it. It's our last day. Okay, you guys, so we have found ourselves a company distributor that is selling not only brand new equipment, but also secondhand equipment that came out of various gyms and things. So this is going to be very complicated and very time consuming. We need flooring, of course, that's going to have to go in first, and then and beyond that, going to pick a few machines and look for a set of dumbbells that have a little bit of significant weight to it. And I think this is going to work out quite well, although this is going to be complicated because of the logistics of getting, you know, we need to basically buy everything, wait for everything to come in, and then send it up by container, by truck from Bangkok up to the northeast. So I'm seeing some good equipment though. I'm seeing some familiar brands and familiar equipment, just like the gym has, not home stuff. And I'm pretty impressed. I think this is gonna be the spot.
Exactly, machine from the US.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. All right, this is gonna work out, you guys. Okay, so the last night of our trip, the last big dinner of our trip, as tradition would have it, we are going to all-you-can-eat buffet sushi. It's an amazing restaurant here in Siam, Paragon. And that is about it. This trip went really, really fast. It's hard to believe that it's been a month already. And man, I'll tell you, we got a lot done. I think it seemed to have gone so fast because we were extremely busy moving around. We hit 3 different countries, and boy, I'll tell you what, we got a lot done. If you guys missed any of the videos, feel free to go back and check them out. I think we got about 8 videos out of this trip, so that was pretty good. And that's it. It's time to grub down, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed all the content that we brought to you. And that is about it. We fly home tomorrow, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.